Awesome, awesome. So talking about location, there's I think a myth among dentists that after opening clinic, we should not change location. And you have actually successfully changed that thing. So I would really like to tell our listeners that he has not only expanded his clinic from one dental chair to three dental chair, he has changed his location also. And he, in spite of changing the location, you were successful. You were able to gain that much revenue which you were having in the earlier clinic itself, in fact more than that, I should say. So how did you take this bold decision? First I want to know, and second thing is, how was your experience all of or about changing the location and then attracting the old crowd, and how was it?
So first of all, thank you for putting the tag of being successful on me. But till now, I don't feel that I've done something great, but I'm on the journey. So maybe a little ahead on the journey than my listeners, but they'll all go through this. So yes, it has been a very beautiful experience. By even I had many thoughts in my mind whether I should change the clinic, how I should transit this whole shifting of the clinic, how much time should my clinic be off. I had all these doubts, but what I realized was if you do good work, patients will give it. So now I have realized that I wanted to change the clinic because my clinic space was very small. So we started in around less than 300 square feet of space. And we realized that this kind of a space, we cannot offer that kind of value which we want to give, that kind of luxury to the dental experience which we want to deliver to the patients was not possible in a 300 square feet area. We wanted to incorporate advanced technology like intraoral scanners, like OPG machines, like lasers. So it was a little difficult and the place was getting cramped up. So we thought that okay, we will change our place to a nearby location but a larger space. So now we are at almost 1100 square feet of clinic
Oh wow.
with all the amenities. And what we did was we intimidated our patients by sending them WhatsApp messages. We had all the records in our clinic, so we sent them mails and WhatsApp messages 1 month before we started to shift, just like a information that we are going to shift. And this type of an information can also be given in the newspapers as a proper advertisement. It is very well written in the ethics of the DCI. If we read the advertisement ethics of the DCI, very clearly it is mentioned that whenever we are shifting the practice, we are allowed to advertise in newspapers, websites, online media, everywhere. So I definitely took full advantage of that, and I told the public that yes, we are going to shift to a new place with a new identity, better service, better experience for our patients. And I must tell you, patients are really happy seeing you grow. So that's an added boost of energy which they give us.
Awesome, awesome. So this is actually really good because we have this notion in our head, majority of the dentists, that we should not change the location. And to find that perfect location, give it so much time that we don't open the clinic itself. There are so many of my friends itself, they have not done that. So I think this is a good thing that you start it at least whenever, whatever you are getting. And then later on, if you're growing and you want to shift to a better location, you can do that. And that's possible. That's possible from your example. They can know about it.